This next one, we're kind of going to give us a little bit of a tease for the Android Tech Show.
Oh, boy.
So I'm going to be reviewing Fring for Android.
Oh, Fring for Android.
And we've talked about Fring before on the show, mostly because they used to do Skype on Fring.
It
used to be able to make Skype calls, but not anymore.
No. Of course.
Well, I think it was you could make Skype audio calls, but not the video calls. I'll hit the add-ons here. Boom, boom, boom. Nope, they blocked both of them. That's right. Had to refresh myself. So, but at first when Fring came out, it was really the best Skype audio caller for Android. And if you're a viewer of this show, longtime viewer, you know we've talked about that before. And then they came out with the Skype video feature, and whatever the heck happened, there's all kinds of dispute. Both parties are saying like 2 or 3 different things. But Skype ended up blocking, or Fring stopped participating in the Skype video. So no more Skype video on Fring. But you can Fring other people.
Fring me, baby.
So, and I don't know, I think that Fring has an iOS client as well.
It does.
So you can Fring between iOS and Android and Android to Android. But what I alluded to about the tech show here is that we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab this week from our friends at Verizon. Boom.
We can see the camera.
There you go. And we made fun on the iPad show earlier in the week. It's one of the other shows that we do. That this is the iPad mini that everybody keeps talking about is supposed to be coming out. But yeah, it's much better than the iPad, folks, because it runs Android.
You're right.
And it's had multitasking since it came out, not in some crummy software update that disabled orientation lock.
Is there an orientation lock on this?
Yeah.
Of course.
It's just not a button on the outside.
No.
It's in the notification bar, dude. It's not that hard. You got it. You drop down the notification bar. Boom. Shortcut right there. Orientation lock.
Orientation lock right here.
Yeah, look at all those things you did.
Whatever.
You guys don't even have you don't even have a notification bar. That gets me every time.
I know.
Every time I use the
It is
iPad,
the worst
I want to grab at it and swipe from the top, and nope.
Worst ever.
Like an animal scratching at it.
It's like
getting nowhere.
Animals.
So
uncivilized.
Let's review this app.
Okay.
So this week I'm reviewing Fring. Fring. It is free on the market, and they have this cool little, I don't know if you'd call it alien robot maybe, thing with a smiley face and antennae. I'm opening it. So I got Dave and I hooked up on here with our Fring accounts.
Mine's bigger.
Likes to brag.
Look at that. You can fit. Look at. Oh, it's like a giant version of it.
Yeah.
It's like the same but bigger.
You can't really see the bezel on yours.
Did they?
No. This is, you just can enable the higher resolution stuff, and it just like stretches and fills empty space.
Yeah.
Like you notice on mine, between the Fring out button and the Fring logo, there's almost no space, but on yours, there's a lot more. And that's just the beauty of Android. It just works if you tell it to. So, and really that's the only limitation for stuff working on the Galaxy Tab is the developers telling it to work.
Yeah. Get your act together.
Whatever. I'm not a developer. I won't criticize. I'll stop it. Sorry. I'll stop criticizing them like that.
I think they did a very elegant job.
So the great cool thing about the Fring app is being able to video call people. So what are you doing? Blacking out?
No, I was trying to show your video call progress here.
Well, you turned it off.
No, I didn't. Doesn't it run in the background?
Yeah. Okay. All right. Good call.
I know.
So you'll come up here. You can text, voice call, or video call. All right here with these 3 handy buttons once you've picked up who your person is. So I'm going to hit video call. It's a little cam. That's right, and that's the beauty of Android. It works in the background. So you're going to answer my... Are right, and I'm going to talk to the camera. Hey, camera. How's it going?
How you doing?
Hey, how about we just have these cameras talk to each other?
Hey, how you doing? That's pretty nice, though.
Yeah. So if you can look at it on yours, I'll pull it up here on the gadget cam. So you can see Dave's face on my phone. Awesome. Just as if the camera was video chatting with Dave. And then now, if you want to throw your tab down here, you can see my face when I'm looking at my phone here. It's showing up on the tab.
Quality's pretty good, too.
Yeah. Yeah, and you can, that's the thing. Like, you know, of course, people are going to draw comparisons to FaceTime because it's what, you know, it's what Apple does. But this, my friends, can be done over a wireless network. That's right. I just hung up on you.
Fair enough.
But Fring is cool. It has a couple other things that are worth mentioning on here. If you hit the menu button, you can go over here to add-ons, and you can add, of course, people from your address book or whatever to call, or, you know, but Google Talk, you can use this as a Google Talk client, though personally it seems silly on Android since there's one built right in, and it's well integrated, but you can also chat on MSN Live. You can, if you have a SIP account set up, to make phone calls, like if you have your own SIP server or you know, router or whatever the heck it's called, where you have a phone number, etc. You can be making SIP free or near free calls out to people to landlines or direct calls to other SIP clients. Is that you just trying to call me?
What? We're going to try something wild here, people.
Uh-oh.
Oh, look at mine.
Audio call, video call. Boom. Hung up. It worked for a second, though.
It's the iPhone. The iPhone had a problem.
Wow, wow, wow.
Doesn't work on the iPhone very well, people. Sorry.
But yeah, and if you still use ICQ,
oh, that's so cute.
it's got that on here. I don't know. I can't use ICQ unless I have a whole suite of keyboard noises set up so that when I type, it goes. Those were the days. Yeah. That was kind of louder than my doing that. Sorry. But I still hear that. I can't remember what it was. A couple months ago, I heard that sound effect somewhere, and I'm like, that's the ICQ notification. What are they doing on that TV show?
Are they really doing ICQ?
That's right. That's what I'm like. I saw it and I was like, really?
Really?
It's almost like watching a show now and seeing somebody pull up their email and it says, you got mail. Really?
Yeah. You're still doing that?
But yeah, it also has Yahoo and, speak of the devil, AIM. So AOL, Instant Messenger.
You've got mail.
So integrates with all kinds of other services. And they have Fring Out, which is like Skype Out or like Google's
you can buy
calling
minutes.
thing. Yeah. Which works really great for international or if you have, I don't know, a tablet.
Oh.
And you want to hook up your Bluetooth headset to it.
Oh, and look like a nerd.
No, not talking. I'm talking about you can put a Bluetooth headset in and use Fring on the Galaxy tab to make cheap phone calls over a data connection to other cell phones or whatever.
Oh. Wow.
See, now you're on board.
Now I'm getting it.
Yeah.
I'm understanding your...
So, pretty awesome, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just get yourself a data plan and go.
It's very awesome.
But yeah, that's Fring. I mean, you just check it out. There's some other features in here too. They've got like their own little replacement dialer for if you want to do, phone calls or whatever. So, using their Fring Out service. But again, there's options. I've disabled it. When you install this app, it'll display everybody in your phone book.
Right. Yeah, that was a little annoying.
Yeah, but that's they're trying to plug that Fring Out stuff.
So you
up
only
there,
have
that's what they make money
online
on.
people. You only have online people.
Yeah. I have other people added, but if you're not online, it won't show you. Because I mean, if I want to send you an offline message, that's called email.
Right. Now everybody's going to be adding me on Fring.
All right, do it.
It's beautiful. I like it. So it's free in the market.
That's right, Fring.
Get it for your phone.
Check it out.
Tablet.
Friggity Fring.
Yeah, and you go like this. You go Fring.
Yeah, that's what when you do the test call, you do video test calls and stuff. She's got like some gang sign she throws up like Fring.
Fring it.
It looks like it's like a Yeah, it's like this because your whole arm's supposed to look like an F.
Fring it.
But I guess it's backwards. Is that right? It'd be this way.
Fring it, people.
There you go.
No, it's like
Whatever.
this.
Yeah, it
It's
was
like
right.
this.
It was right. Fring. That's bad.
Fring me.
Oh, I get it. I get it now.